Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Pre-primed 12 by 12 inch canvas, which I want another layer of black on. Okay, it's time. I'm planning on just making some puddles. Some random designs and seeing what happens. That was Art 24 karat gold. That was mother of pearl. That was iridescent pearl from Art. This is golden iridescent fluid gold. I've got red violet. I think I want more white. I'm hoping this is going to work. If it doesn't, we'll figure something else out. This is red violet, as I said. This is orange crush. This is saffron. This is snapdragon. I've got ginger flower or dancing fuchsia. It's actually dancing fuchsia. And my custom mix of yellow orange. Being called to some turquoise, and I have some. Actually, cerulean blue is perfect. I still want the turquoise. Now everything's available if I want more of anything. And I've got, that spatula needs to go in the bucket. And I think I'm going to use black, white. I'm going to use my usuals. Amsterdam black, Amsterdam white together. And then maybe some cobalt turquoise and some dancing fuchsia. Now I need a scrape dish. Actually, I should just use that. Why don't I grab a silicone brush. Put my paint right back into painting, because I can, sort of thing, and get on with it. And if that doesn't come back, I'll use an acetate tool. I have other tools handy. Maybe I should try something now. Let's try the white. No, I want the black. Alright, things are coming along. I may have to tip this if I want it to move out. I have a straw, which is handy to dissipate some of the cell activator. I don't want to put a spiral in there, but I could wait. But I want to do it now. Here we go. Okay, moving on. I'm going to go for the dancing fuchsia. But I'm not sure I should use the same tool. Since I have lots of tools, I will try one of my acetate tools Oh, I like that. I think I'm going to keep going in a similar direction. Maybe, maybe not. Changed my mind at the last second to black. So far so good. It looks like some sort of breathing scaled sea creature, which is okay with me, honestly. So I've got black on there. I might as well try some white. Am I really? I'm going to do white and cobalt teal. Cobalt turquoise. I think I got it wrong. Come on. I love my tools because I can just take my paint right off whatever I'm working with. Do I want more? I might. I might want to tip it a little bit. Or grab a smaller acetate tool, or use the palette knife I've got. Try everything. I'm hoping I can change the shape of some things. Pretty sure I can. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to get rid of that paint first though. That didn't work. I have to remember that I can always add paint right out of a bottle if I want to. So I'm thinking I'm going to do that. I'm going to try some ginger flower. Maybe do a few more spirally things. Or make some interesting shapes. I do like adding spirals and dots. Sorry I'm quiet, I get focused. I very much desire to make something that's different. I don't really want to tip this. I think because I have GAC 800 in all of my mixtures to help prevent cracking, that it will dry fine. I'm just wondering if I'm completely done or not. And maybe I am and maybe I'm not. I'm kind of thinking I would like some of this gold. Now maybe a little bit of black. I like that pattern so much that the plan just went out the window for swiping there. Oh yeah, that does it for me. I'm happy now. That worked out really well. I like it a lot. I think there's a certain amount of balance. I could add a few dots. Not sure that they should be white. I think they might want to be gold. So I'm going to grab Dry Down Paint Cotton Swab. I like that a lot. Maybe better than okay. I might still want a torch. I think I'm done and it's time to torch. Not sure which side is up yet. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link. Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.